how to install Ansible on macOS. In this case, I'm running Catalina. Anyway, you want to su to root here, and then this command here, you want to run python3 minus m for module pip install Ansible. And what you'll see is Ansible will install. This took a few minutes because it did some special setup at the end. I didn't see any compilation, but it did do some setup. And I also have xcode in here, so there's also GCC in here and all that stuff that it might need. So whenever you do a pip install, it's good to have GCC in this thing. Let's see if this will work. Anyway, I do have GCC in here, and this is how to get this thing in here. So again, you can install Ansible like this, and it's already installed, but this is what it will do. Since I have all the requirements satisfied, it simply says it's done. Okay, well, I hope that helps, and I'll copy this command on the YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.